And so you have to cut the bamboo
Yeah.
and drink the water out of the bamboo.
Yeah, and that's pretty common. If you see bamboo tilted over on the side, it's gotten heavy and it's come over.
Does it have holes in it where it's absorbing the water? Like, how is it getting into the?
Oh, it's sucking it up through that.
Oh, it's sucking
porous-
up through the ground.
through the ground, so
and
it's
then
saving it.
filling
those canisters.
So that's what those That's the purpose of those things.
I don't know if that's the purpose. It's definitely saving water is a purpose of them. And so what we do is we can, when we're out in the bush, it's like you cut off one of those canisters, and so you have like a sweet little bamboo cylinder, and then you tie it with balsa and throw it over your back, and it's like you're carrying a map. It's like you just have this like a water bottle from the jungle. Like there are ways of getting things done.